Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to install the rear LED tail lights on my Mercury Marquis. I'm also going to tint the lenses too. So I've been waiting on these to come in. The stuff on the left is the capacitors I needed, and those are the two sets of bulbs that I need to put in there. So let's get started. Just like the Ford Taurus, you're going to have to remove this carpet right here, and there's some bolts behind here. In this case, they're 13 millimeter. You remove those, and this whole piece will slide out. So I'm going to take this carpet off right now and get to it. Okay, I cleaned the lenses off. I'm going to start with one light coat. I'm going to put about 3. I don't want it too dark because I won't be able to see the lights through the lenses. So let's get going. I put the capacitors on. That keeps your LEDs from hyper flashing when you hook it up. You basically hook one wire to the constant and one wire to the turn signal, and it's marked right here on the housing, so you know which one to splice into. Now let's put these LED lights on. They plug in just like the regular light bulbs. So there's no special way of putting them on, just plug them in. Okay, let's see if these LEDs got energy to them. Yep, time to put the lenses on. And here they are. Look how they're a real dark red. That's exactly what I want. I don't want it black. I want it at least a little red showing through. Now to put them on. And there you go. It's tinted, but it's red. You can see through it. The reflectors on the trunk, no, I'm not going to do anything with that because that's going to be replaced with the hood. I'm probably going to tint that when I replace the hood. But this turned out pretty good. Until next video, I'll see you.